Linyi Haisen Wood Company Limited, located in Linyi City of Shandong Province, is a professional wooden products manufacturer and exporter, with special advantages in making natural wood veneered plywood like red oak, beech oak. We also supply quality commercial plywood, film-faced plywood, melamine board, natural veneers, recon veneers, MDF, particle board, blockboard, door skin, LVL, PVC film, and simple furniture like folding laptop table. Established in 1998, we have rich experience in production, owning 4 large workshops with 300 skilled workers and 20 experienced management members. We have established a set of quality control system from raw material purchase, manufacturing processes, to put the finished products into storage, which in accordance with field standards, and resolutely products which do not meet products identification cannot come out of the factory or warehouse. Please remember, we are a service company rather than a professional manufacturer. What we do all make us to be your reliable business partner. Our annual production capacity is up to 50,000 cubic meters, and our products sell well to exporting to more than 50 countries and regions, such as Southeast Asia, North America, Europe, Australia, Africa, and the Middle East. We sincerely welcome all customers, both at home and abroad, to visit our company for further cooperation. If you are interested in any of our products, please feel free to contact us for more information. We will do our best to supply high-quality products with competitive prices and excellent services to you.